Gamers, listen up! What if I told you there's a retro gaming console that gives you 5,000 plus built-in games and it's 73% off right now? This is the ANBERNIC RG40XX handheld game console. Retro power in your pocket. 4.0-inch crisp IPS screen with 640x480 resolution. Over 5,000 plus classic games preloaded. Smooth 64-bit system. RGB lighting around the buttons, total vibe. Huge 3,200 mAh battery for long play hours. From arcade classics to console favorites, you'll never run out of nostalgia. The best part? This beast is now just JPY 7,808 down from JPY 28,921. That's 73% off. Grab it now while it's hot. Click the link below to order yours. Subscribe for more insane tech deals and game reviews. Don't sleep on this one. This console is selling fast.